Nana Apia Mensa eba bontin edensem ebetuja meka the press conference about we'll answer a lot of questions no. Ever since that particular thing happened, no, I've monitored a lot of reaction and comments from social media. Now what should the air koswa? Ebimo very happy with Nana Apia Mensa and Sema Wodi Atuja. Ebimo says he has shown respect to the men's good customers. Say wabe hodi press conference aka assembly namu no pre. Now the truth of the matter they say womo hwe nim na ebimo womo expectation they say Nana Apia Mensa ebeka say na bobetia customers no. Na womo hwe nim say Nana Apia Mensa ebeba beka sansem no. And Nana Apia Mensa eba abontia wo beka so okay me the musika mamo no. And a lot of them have been disappointed from Nana Apia Mensa and the press conference because in some our can say sisi ade bibia she aban sem senya ono Nana Apia Mensa betia customers no want to mean tia customers embra aban still wo mo freezing the account no because account ni mu ena sika ewo na that truth that Nana Apia Mensa dey abeto abonte no senya me din kan no I've monitored some comments from some men's good customers our motor say they are highly disappointed in the press conference and Nana Apia Mensa will hold here because na wo mususu say wo beti omo na when nipa baako why very vocal on this particular issue Ghanaian prophet Kum Chacha one know there since day one wa train adwen wa asem we because we say one no ni sika pa men's good ho na sika ketwa na nkofo speculate say Kum Chacha sika men's good ho no it will be around 300 to 500,000 Ghana cedis which is 3 to 5 billion old cedis and then some nkofo bi speculation Kum Chacha nangasa de wamba bonten enfansem no embetu dwaye na wei enema yebisa Kum Chacha e woni tefen because se wonim se wo bi ti say Kum Chacha or making comment on public reaction and or making public reaction on a lot of incidents and issues that isi wa Ghana obviously waba bonten abeka se nisika eda honti no be bisa no se Kum Chacha sei ena Nana Apia Mensa aka e de na bodwen efa ho Kum Chacha komana no so a wo se hwe Nana Apia Mensa no wono officer ne nine ne o se Nana Apia Mensa ne nine no ena enye but wo be so chere say wo ye fast ena se na Kum Chacha sabe edidi atem na wo de buy na say o se dabi ono de wo ka na adwen ena say Kum Chacha ade na wo kasasa wo se wo no Kum Chacha ne de wo hwa Nana Apia Mensa ede nam no abeda ada Ghana fuo biom to sympathy from Ghanaians. And I say, Kum Chacha, Nana Apia Mensa, Sema Wakan wo brofumo. Jama Wakan wo brofumo into one tiasie, and now we could tie the encrofo eka. Saboba Kaya, Emra Omai Hene Kwapna Sante, making the comments on Nana Apia Mensa press conference. No, the Mamotiasie say, Omai Hene take the issue to the pedestrian level. Now, will be a wanted brofubiano. Wotie asema wo man hene eka for summarization ni ba ko ne baka Nana Apia Mensa dada ni followers no intina mi susu se da bi Kum Chacha sebe wotie conference ni bi ana press conference wotie bi ana se won so wo got say the amansan eka because nipa de wotie de nipa beka ebi ala obi aminim no wono so owo YouTube ha ya nipa ko ne de won pe Nana Apia Mensa nsem ba ko say nti ono de wo so wi a wo di Nana Apia Mensa atem wati ase unim se ni sika na wo ho se den yo nti wo bi wo ho a genuinely wo penasem genuinely on penasem nti no Kum Chacha press conference ni bi na o tie ya but ye nkwati nsem a Kum Chacha wo di tudwa a wo di Nana Apia Mensa atem na wo wi ye no e no ka se ye blame Nana Apia Mensa ye blame some governmental officials so se wo mo kra wo mo ka ho wasanso ka Europe nsema me kan ye Nana Apia Mensa expose ye se Europe kra no wono Nana Apia Mensa ekọ ho ansana wakọ sign ye se wo tu kwan nti e ba ne se na Europe fechi any police for ebe issue red notice Interpol alert nti Kum Chacha sanso kan sansem no se Europe fo nso wo mo kan etie for yengo tie just some part of Kum Chacha the conversation about have ye e wo Neat FM so na ye ba ensem bi wo ho na ye de ensem no atia so ama mo ntie for me bese me waste mo time yen kongo tie
social media e wo mo station na so live any ade na me fe say and some of the kicker there, one Casacona Kaya. Mekase yin sim hunu no bekeka ye no.
Oh, what day?
Ade. Nyansa ba kokure nim.
Oh, prophet.
Nyansa ba kokure nim. Ono no officer sebi fachame. Sebi. Sebi officer ne nanye, but officer na dream mo ye fast. Ne nanye, but na dream ye fast. But when you say obi te say me prophet kum cha say me ye fast kwara che ono. Because some of the kind black was in Yansa
Mark Jerry.
Mike Fatchame. Oh, Black Mike, Yansa Baku anymore. Because, and some will say no, echo, baby echo. And I am penny for no, a diabro. Because we say issue way by a corano. And penny for bini police administration. Ebe kan say number 1 every woman ni mukorano only mo hwe but number 1 so ebie na no kan say ade aba chiama na tu kwan kra oko yoko ema yoko fokora kire na say wonko ema yoko fokora nim ba bia kan tiri ko na wonko so eti yampanifo ne de me prophet kum chacha de bia ka nyame babu bobi dua ne nyame amebi efu asesa akadem ne nyame ama sabe ye bi be ma wu na urade ama bi anya stroke na bi anya BP ene cancer na bi akeka dem Ghana for mpanifo ni bi ebinom Ghana for mpanifo ni bi no because sabe say ya brochile eni ya brochile ha na ma prophet kum theater America say free ena say ne ma we sisi ya ka Bank of Ghana ho no won wa e man nam 1 lances from A to Z, anyone one am one scano. Any coin of us will be in the Jumano. Say your papa, say your Boninala, Kaya Bruchele Yami, one make us say ya. Kavadisam came over for and 5 o'clock.
Okay, Prophet, my maybe sounds a bit you. And some are working. Now one didn't chill about to say you could ye. Na no and some be saying na woka say yes hunu anyanse anymore because ana ko wan be chire make be dey na we say ebi ade atie na even though ya twa animo say ebi ayoko e dey bibi foforo ba be to abonten no
aman you say amaniama hunu entutu kaw sabe wo be chire mo na kura na sen mini am like jelly.
Yes sir.
Me pache wo tra wo be chire mo no kasa dudu obi ya yeduabo
and so also why crowd say musika no de be mamo but aban ade ne nsa to ne sika so na osre aban so beboa no na ne say timi aka court case o wini o Dubai $39 million about prophet wo sabe kan de
masa eja Mike Jelly me prophet to church am me kan say me tell say sabio me sense mu hu no be kan ya say no say na obi ani sika obi ani se bia ho be kasa no be kasa se bosome e bosome mi no e bia musika me de be mam e no na ye patio na se me wasem wo Dubai ni ade de obi fa ho ni asem a wo Dubai na wo wie so ha se abekense mu hu sai wo kora wo yale won wa du osika kogu men's gold ni mu 21 ana 20 something na wu na won wu ni de wo de wo ne ho na wo yale na wo dwen ho oh, yale na wodwen office on where fast, on your fast. Ebi nipa bi 20 and 20 na ewu. Onwe ewu okura de wo de wan kasa nko. Okura de wo sika na ntwa nko. Na wo yale fona wo yale no. E na wo de wodwen ho. Eti na membe prophet kum chacha me kase. Me mfa brem man am went too much. Me de brem e ma Ghana fo mpanifo ni bi no because say ya brochira no ma me no me ti se UK ana say brochira kurobiana ya tidia Kabakistan Bank of Ghana e wono me kedi pa bebre ejina court bebre abanku kom even including saying bank ya wo do be 7 na ya kan bo mu a o wan friend cost
for intimate nsema kum chacha wodi tuja na kum chacha is a very interesting personality. Wuti nsema wakan ya otumi ka say o na one sebe wo fi say wo ye smart sebe nsanfo na wo di atren wo wi not osanso dia bosso e dia aka ho say o na one ekra no me blame me too much na tell say akoye say ekra oka na ohu oka na ohu no aha eno anakum chacha wo ye chewadwen e wo comment box me tie for me da say